Good afternoon. This is Derek at Tom's. I wanted to show you this unit, send you a quick little video. So on this side, we have our entrance along with our slide out, ready to go. Compartment door open. That's going to be where our pass-through storage is. Nice spacious compartment. Good things you need. Propane up here in the front. Your battery box over here. You have your front jack leveling in the front as well. It really is a beautiful unit, priced well.
Do you copy, Kyle?
A little bit of the inside. Next, we'll take a look at the beautiful inside of this unit.